I want to show you a really cool feature I found on Facebook, Meta Business Suite, whatever you want to call it these days. Anyway, it's how to link your personal website or your business's website to your story. The story are those little things that go across the very top of Facebook that are animated, and you can either use pictures, videos, or text. Let me show you how to do it. As always, we're going to start right pushing the Facebook button so we're all on the same page. Now, those stories that are going right across the top, we're going to create a story. And we're going to create a photo story. Once we create a photo story, let's go ahead and I'm going to do an AI generated picture, Retro Black Lab, and there's Pepper's Place, and Pets Stay Free. So there's my preview. And now over here, right here, second one down, I'm going to add a button. And I want that button to be a web link. That's the second button down. On those buttons, we can do see more, learn more, shop now, or book now. Because I have a place that offers bookings, it's a short-term rental property, I'm going to book now. Enter my website. And there's my website. Now I can share my story with that book now button right here. On the very bottom it says book now. If for any reason you find that the book now button isn't working, use the learn more button on that story, and then that will make sure that it links to your website. Here's our preview with the Learn More button. Here's the preview of the Book Now button, but make sure it takes you where you want to go. Sometimes it just reloads the Facebook home screen. If you need to, use the Learn More button. That will take you to the website that you want. So remember, if you're having trouble making that Book Now button go to your website, use Learn More, and that will hyperlink to your website. I don't see this feature being used very much on Facebook stories. So if you are an early adopter, you're going to be one of the first people using this feature. Have fun with it, and hopefully it drives some website traffic your way.